In this video, we'll show you how to replace the impeller on your Greenworks 22-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all the 60-volt and 80-volt models. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. The battery should always be removed before performing any maintenance. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver, a T25 Torx screwdriver, and a 13mm wrench. You will also require a brace for the impeller. In this video, we've used a piece of wood. Let's get started. Turn the snow thrower onto its side. Loosen the screws of the belt cover using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Remove the cover. Turn the large pulley while gradually lifting the belt off. Set the belt aside. Brace the impeller to prevent it from spinning. Remove the bolt in the center of the large pulley using a 13mm wrench. Pull upward on the large pulley and set it aside. Please note, there will be resistance while removing the pulley. Be careful not to lose the flat washer and split washer. Underneath the pulley, there are 3 screws. Remove these screws using a T25 Torx screwdriver and set aside. Remove the brace from the impeller and flip the snow thrower onto the opposite side. Remove the 3 screws securing the side plate with a T25 Torx screwdriver. Remove the plate. Brace the impeller again and remove the bolt using a 13mm wrench. The impeller will now be loose and can be removed. Take the bearing and plate locks off the worn impeller and fit them onto the replacement impeller. Move the new impeller into position and reinstall the bolt. Brace the impeller and tighten the bolt. Reinstall the side plate. These screws need to thread into the plate lock on the impeller side. Flip the snow thrower back onto the opposite side. Rotate the impeller so that the plate lock holes line up with the 3 holes on the side panel. Reinstall the 3 T25 Torx screws and the pulley. Brace the impeller and install the flat washer, split washer, and bolt in the center of the pulley. Tighten firmly with a 13mm wrench. Reinstall the belt by guiding it into position. The belt cover can now be reinstalled and secured with the T20 Torx screws. Return the unit to the upright position. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.